Okay, so good evening. I am Salima Dubcolt. I'm an artist, and this is my business outside of being a musician. I'm also a jeweler. So these are jewelry.
Yeah.
These are anklets and belly beads.
Okay.
Next media. Next media.
Future wife, lifeline hour.
Everything.
Everything bomba! Yo!
Yeah.
Touch me! So anytime you do something, just remember.
Now we have video.
We have video. Look for me in this big fun house, the fun style. I start me, I say my shirt too tight. So them are going with it up there?
Exactly.
Alright, that's all.
Alright, right here now. Yeah. Shop number 6. Shop number 6. Shop number 6 you have a smoothie shop. Yeah man, no problem. They sell smoothie, bean juice, everything you can come here and get here. Smoothie. Very nice. Alright, so you have a barber shop right over there. Alright, so I'm gonna go upstairs now and see what's going on upstairs. Alright, so if you don't want the tailor stuff, you have to come to shop number 22. Right in here, so you have a tail. In here, so you have a next clothes shop. So there's a lot of clothes stuff at the farmer building, man. Wow, farmer building really developed nicely. Right here, so you have a little phone shop. Yeah, phone and computer. Very nice. In general. So this at the end, so I'm gonna go. Alright, there's more things there. Like here says a little trophy stuff. We have the Changback retail. Alright, so we have our next phone shop right here though. Shop 32, that name Cell City. Hello. Eva. Oh, in gone. Alright. Oh, alright. Right here now, you have a little. Oh, this is the clock shop. Let me see sign downstairs about. You have nice clocks in there though. Right here, so now you have the phone shop. Then fix phone right or so. Hello, miss. So there's a next step. So the next step is right here. Road that take and go all the way upstairs. I believe there's a restaurant up there. Yeah, the restaurant name Fusion Bites. Wow, there's a lot of places upstairs. Man. I never know that there was so much other places upstairs at this plaza, man. Wow. Right over there, so now it's like you have an hairdressing shop to the left. Oh, I'm going. Alright, so we're at the restaurant upstairs now. Party used to keep up here though, you see it? Yeah, up here is known for parties. Wow, India look nice too, I'm not gonna lie. Alright people, so right now we're up at Portantonio Pier, from in Marina. We are walk around and get some people for set on something, and we are showing what we're going to see and we see it. So you can look and say, oh, it's a beautiful Portland, Jamaica this. You understand? So if you're interested in a content like this, remember to subscribe at Dex Media.
No, go on, it's 2 girls, 2 boys. Fall over this man and do your thing. Yeah man, Mr. Ask you to tell about in the school. Each round give you something different to define in the school now 1 word. 1 word for define the school.
What was the school name again?
Introduce the school before second. Introduce school name.
Applegrove High School is a crisis place.
Why is it?
They were going to look for me in this big pants and say my pants tight.
What's it?
They were going to stop me and say my shirt too tight.
So they are going with the note there?
Exactly.
Alright, so.
No, I'm not saying no.
I hear school, they must know something about school, man. You gotta put something about school. You don't know nothing about school, you could have.
It kind of goodish like now we. You know, I don't know, I'm excited about the school and.
You're just excited about people who there. Friend and company,
Yeah,
you know?
yeah,
like you were standing beside in Introduce him for you, yeah? That's why introduce school. Introduce him for you.
Squad.
Yeah, squad it done. Squad it done. Yeah, man. Are you we have met you? We have met you left for last, you know. Young miss.
Where she go?
Say your name and something about your school. Anything.
It's full of vibes, because I'll be a fighter go on, you know, so I miss them, get full of vibes.
School done. Well, no more Applegrove High School after that video, yeah? But either way, thank you, Miss with the glasses. Like the glasses, there. Squad it done. You're out the school now, you know, so you must can't tell you better than you're supposed to show them how are real. You are done or graduate by everything. Bad man thing. Tell us something else. Yeah, we just tell us something about your school. Come, tell us something about your school.
Applegrove is a very intelligent facility, you know.
Intelligent facilities, facility intelligent student and done.
A student there, alright.
Say student they alright, then can go on. And 100 but them want 80.
They're not so bad.
Then can go on. So wait. Alright, since it's so, tell me something about everybody there. So I am my parents, you must be a friend them. Describe everyone your friend them use 1 word and describe all of them with 1. Well, left that 1 here for last.
Very special thing.
Yeah man, I realize it, so we have to make sure the best for last team, you know?
So you said that one, yeah?
1 word to describe her.
Although we just know each other.
I don't know her,
That not say, you see her, something must come to your mind.
She looks like she faced it.
She look like she faced it.
Yeah.
That's the first thing when you come to your mind when you see her.
Yeah.
Faced it. So, miss, you faced it. Same can know some must.
Can be.
Can be. What make you when you face? When then
Piss me off.
Then piss you off.
Yes.
like what? Give me an example.
Like
Then piss off you.
people, bad mind people and them lady.
Oh, so you like them bad man. Alright. Next person.
Yeah.
This man.
Yeah. So like a general
Yeah,
fan.
sugar bun, you know.
Boom!
Dude. Yeah.
Drunk, you know.
Yeah, we feel them up. Well, we. They say, oh, they're junker. Take away the girl with these.
Take your guy.
Yeah, man. Ah, I beg them, I sing them on a girl, them, no?
Which one?
Alright. Man, don't worry about that, my baby. Alright, remember that. Alright, so we rate that still, but young
Yeah.
yes, I know.
Yeah man.
Oh, no worry though. Want something nice now.
Something nice.
Yeah, man, tell us something
Take
about
your
that.
heart beat away. Yeah.
Future wife, what?
Yeah man. Put
Yeah,
the ring
string.
on it.
Wait a say, heartstring,
I'm just saying what you have.
future wife, lifeline, what?
Everything.
Everything, boom! Yo!
Yeah.
Touch me. Me? You know, you're just anytime you do nothing, just remember saying this. So anytime you do something, just remember.
Yeah, we have video proof.
You have video proof for your sister now, you know. And don't worry, if you got to me, no part, you live. Anyway, do not, I remember, you know, just make you them know, say, yo.
We can move.
Move the way. We check it, man, don't worry. We'll check it out. Thank you for the time.
Yeah, man, thanks very much.
Yeah, man, it's,
YouTube, yeah, Dex Media.
Next media.
Mm.
I just out in
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Okay, so good evening. I am Salima Dubcolt. I'm an artist and this is my business outside of being a musician. I'm also a jeweler. So these are jewelry.
Yeah.
These are anklets and belly beads.
Okay. Oh, you make them personally?
Yes, I'm a jeweler. Yeah.
Handmade?
I make them.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, they look really, really good.
Thank
So
you.
you have a shop where you sell them or you sell them online?
I sell them. They're
you-
underground.
Underground.
Above ground, I'm an artist. So check out my Vivo, Salima Dubcolt Vivo on YouTube and you'll see my movement.
Okay.
And you'll see my music also. I
Alright.
have a single called Understanding.
Understanding.
Yes.
Alright, I'll definitely check it out on YouTube
Yeah.
and give you a feature too. Alright? Yeah.
Okay.